replacing the seat shock on this 2105, and that thing here is completely blowed out. And it was a pain getting it out of there. You can see how the new one's got the nuts on there to hold it. I had to put vice grips and a pair of pliers on that sucker. Hold it. It did not want to come out. And I'm sure there's a way that you can move this seat to make it access to that hole there to get to it. But I had to unbolt the whole thing to get to it because I couldn't get my wrench up in there. So I've got the hay-bind hooked up and I've got it running. And I've got the rake in the tether serviced, and you put air in tires because they've been a little low. But hopefully we'll start cutting this hay behind me in a couple weeks. Well, probably next week it's going to rain, so maybe the week after. We'll see if my cheap hay bind works out.